Hello, I'm Derrick with Community Kia, Baytown, Texas. And today I would like to present to you the newly redesigned Kia Soul for the 2020 model year. As you can see, they've gone away from the boxy, square look as far as the headlamps are concerned. They've gone with the bumblebee look on the headlamps. Fog lamps on the vehicle, 17-inch wheels and tires. The side view mirrors have the blinkers on them, lane keep assist, rear cross traffic alert. You also have push button starting, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay. This model comes equipped with the rear seating, very roomy, easy accessible for the rear passengers. Rear cargo space, unmatched as far as the CUVs are concerned. And if you lay the second row seating down forward, you will see it increases your cargo space. And it's not difficult to put down or raise. Very simple. And if you would see the newly redesigned rear end on the vehicle also. I like a touch that they put the Soul here on both sides. If you're in the area, stop by. See Derrick at Community Kia, where everything we do is centered around you.